night, winter, spring. My power creates power for me to do anything. I smell shapes and touch every emotion. My inner drive is alive, a tidal wave from the ocean. I taste words, delicious verbs on my tongue. Eat till I'm full, clean my plate, not a crumb. Turn my dreams into movie scenes, which can be seen 400-foot screens. I'm filled with dopamine. I took a trip to the other side of the moon and saw things you would never believe was actually true. I kiss lightning and make babies with thunder. I'm unique when I speak, just like a prime number. Golden skies, fresh cut red grass, streets of precious gems. The future is the past.